issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Monroe County in south-central Alabama, north-central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in south-central Alabama, southeastern Clark County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Conecuh County in south-central Alabama, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles west of Frisco City, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frisco City, McCullough, Uriah, Interstate 65 and County Road 1, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 113, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 21, and Port Creek Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Clark, Conecuh, Escambia, and Monroe. The following weather reports were made at 8 p.m.